I've been waiting on a war since I was young. Since I was a little boy with a toy gun. Never really wanted to be number one. Just wanted to love everyone. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Waiting on a War by Foo Fighters. It's from an upcoming album, so you will see more tutorials on that album on this channel. Alright, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of that. Anyways, we're playing this with basic chords, no capo, which is like most Foo Fighters songs. The chords are as follows. So we have a D major. Okay, my strumming pattern is down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up. So we have a D major. Then I don't know what this is, but it's like a G, but instead of using 6th string as our bass, we're using 5th string, and we're only holding the 3rd fret of the lower E string. Okay, right there. And then we go to E minor, and then G. So D major, and then whatever that is. So what I like to do here is to emphasize on the bass, I pluck first before I strum. So it's, okay, so it's pluck, strum, to get that 5th string bass, and then we go to E minor, and then there's G. So in this chord, try to strum only the lower strings after plucking the bass, okay? And that's it for the verse. That's your intro and verse, okay? And then we get into love everyone. Okay, so then the chords change after that. Is there more to this than that? That's E minor, G, to A. Okay, so is there more to this than that? Is there more to this than that? This is E minor, G, D, A major. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description, so you can learn how to hold these chords and then come back here for your progressions. More than this, and more than digging on the wall. Okay, so just waiting on wall. Okay, so just waiting on wall. This is a D minor. Whoa. Then we go to a B flat. Sorry, a B major. Oh. B major is basically A, but instead of playing it in 2nd fret, you play it in 3rd fret, and then you bar the 1st fret. 5th string is your bass. Just waiting on what? D minor, B, F, and then you go to G to close, okay? Just wait. But then, let me just make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. Just waiting on wall. Okay, so the last chord is a C major. Okay, so just waiting on the wall. Then we go to C. Waiting on the wall. Then we play a G, right, to conclude the chorus. We're back to verse number 2, which sounds the same as verse number 1. Let's cycle to the second chorus. Second chorus is the same as the first chorus. I'm waiting for, like a bridge where the chords change. Okay, there we go. It's got to be. Okay, so there's the. There is the more to this, more to this, more to this than that. Okay, so just waiting on a war. You play D major instead of D minor. So let's play. Just waiting on a war. And then G to conclude. Okay, there's got to be more than this. There's got to be more than this than that. There's got to be more than this than that. So that's just a D, B, G. Okay, so there's like a kind of like a bridge that goes. Where it's kind of like a vocal solo. That's E minor, G, D, G. And then we come back to verse again. And the more to this part, we've already done that. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And let me know any of the new songs that you need me to do for y'all on this channel. Otherwise, that's been it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.